We've seen how our net income is included in our equity section. But where do we show the detail of our income and expenses? We show that in another major accounting financial statement, the income statement. And I'll just go ahead and let's imagine that we're going to put that right here. So again, I put the title, which is Vince's Company, the name of the statement, income statement. The balance sheet is as of a particular date, a specific date. The income statement is for a period of time. I made the income and paid the utility expense during February. So this is going to be for the month ending 2/28/2015. It's for a period of time. It might be for a month, it might be for a quarter, it might be for the whole year. Or I could simultaneously show what happens in the month and what's happened year to date. And I'll begin with my income accounts. I had consulting revenue. And my consulting revenue, I made $100. So my total income is $100. And then I will list expenses. My expenses, I have a utilities expense. And that was $50. And my net income is $50. And you see that this statement, the income statement, the net income, is also shown on my balance sheet as of that date. So it's net income that ties these two statements together. In fact, I could include all of this information down here in the equity section, but it would make it too unwieldy for me to read just this one statement. And these statements really provide two different purposes. My balance sheet, I'm taking a look at my debt, my total assets, how I finance the company. My income statement, I'm looking at the efficiency of what I'm doing. Here's the income I'm developing, here are the expenses, here are how I manage my expenses. Also, if I were managing the company, I'd want to use the income statement because I would need this particular detail to find out if I'm meeting my budget targets and if I'm running the company efficiently. So this is the income statement. Important points. This is for a period of time. The balance sheet is as of a specific date. Important to recognize that. The other thing is that my net income ties these two statements together. My net income, which is the bottom line of my income statement, is also shown in the equity section of my balance sheet. Of course, in a company, even a small company, I might have an extensive listing of various expenses. I might even have several different types of income accounts. For instance, if I did consulting revenue, but I also sold books on the side, I might have book revenue so that I could manage that information so that it would be meaningful to me, so that I could compile information on the different activities that I'm doing in my company. But this is the income statement. Again, the heading, the company, income statement, and the period of time that it covers. So you have now seen two of the major financial statements. The balance sheet, which is really the overseeing statement of our accounting equation, and the income statement, which we are interested in if we are managing the company. So you've come quite a ways in just a very short period of time.